So let's start with the 16th example, and what is said here. The speed of transverse wave on a straight wire of mass equal to 6 gram and length equal to 60 centimeter. The area of cross section of the wire is 1 mm square and its velocity is 90 meter per second. If Young's modulus of the wire is 16 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square, what is the extension in the wire, that is, what is the change in length? So as we know very well, the velocity of a wave along a stretched string is under root T upon mu, and V and mu are known to us, but tension is not known to us. So I will write squaring on both sides. So tension will be equal to V square into mu, and force. As we know very well, Young's modulus is F into original length upon A into extension. So I can replace tension by this. Ya into extension upon capital L is equal to V square into mu. So therefore the change in length or extension will be equal to V square into mu into L upon Y into Young's modulus. So therefore change in length will be equal to square of 90 into the mass per unit length. By using these two things, I can find the mass per unit length, that is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 60 centimeter, that would be 0.6 meter. So 6 ones and 0.1s are, so that would be 10 raised to minus 2 kg per meter into the original length of the wire is 60 centimeter, 0.6 upon Young's modulus is 16 into 10 to the power 11 into area of cross section of the wire is 1 mm square, that is 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. And now we can get easily answer on solving this. So 9 is the square of 9 will be 81, and this will be 2 zeros into 10 raised to minus 2 into 0.6 upon 16 into 10 to the power 11 minus 6 will be 5. Now 10 raised to minus 2 and these 2 0 get cancelled out. 16 ones are 16, 16 fives are 80 approximately, and 5 6 would be 30. So it will be 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 in meters, as all options are in mm. So it will be 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power 3 millimeter. So that would be 0.03 millimeter. And the correct answer to this question is option A. Thank you.